Hey, how's it going? Let's uh let's see what I've been doing. So, like I showed in the last video, I want it to be a bit more visually obvious to the player what they're supposed to be doing. So if we start here again, we'll see again where it says shoot. But now it increases in size and there's a beepy noise. And now you can hear I have sounds of the actual Kana. So whenever you shoot anything, you get a sound of what it makes. So hopefully this will be more visually obvious for new players. And yeah, that's pretty much. I do love those. So look. All right, let's see if we. Oh no, let's see if we can go. Oh, you know what? Let's just leave it at that. That's what I've got done so far. Hopefully that makes sense. So that's it.